Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a compact PC this year, finding the right Micro ATX case can get tricky. Between airflow, GPU clearance, cable management, and just plain aesthetics, it's easy to get lost in the specs. So, I've done the hard part for you and rounded up the 5 best Micro ATX cases that are actually worth your time, whether you're going budget or building something clean and powerful. These are the latest, most practical options out there, and my #1 pick is a total sleeper hit, so stick around. If you find something you like, I've dropped all the links in the description to make it easy for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews sharp and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. Let's kick things off with the Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L, one of the most popular Micro ATX cases for builders on a budget. But don't let the price fool you. This case brings in smart design features and clean airflow that punch way above its weight. The Q300L has a simple, boxy layout with magnetic dust filters on the top, front, and bottom, something you rarely see at this price. That alone makes cleaning a breeze. It supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards and has room for graphics cards up to 14.2 inches, making it surprisingly flexible for a small chassis. It also fits full-sized ATX power supplies, which means you don't have to compromise on power. One of its standout features is the fully modular I/O panel. You can move the ports to 6 different locations, including the top, bottom, and sides, which is awesome for unique desk setups or tight spaces. The side panel is acrylic rather than tempered glass, which keeps the cost down, but still gives a clear view of your build. You'll get support for up to 6 fans, or a 240mm radiator in the front, and airflow is solid thanks to the mesh front and top panels. Internally, it's pretty straightforward tool-less drive bays, decent cable routing options, and a roomy interior for the form factor. It's a no-nonsense case that doesn't try to be flashy, but gets all the essentials right. The build quality is solid, though not premium, mostly steel with some plastic, but the overall finish feels clean and purposeful. Who's it for? Great for beginner PC builders, budget gamers, or anyone building a secondary system where size and airflow matter more than RGB or fancy extras. Bottom line, the Cooler Master Q300L isn't just affordable, it's functional, smartly designed, and ready for a wide range of builds. If you're starting your Micro ATX journey, this case gives you everything you need without draining your wallet. Number 4. NZXT H3 Flow Micro ATX. Let's move on to number 4, the NZXT H3 Flow Micro ATX. This one's all about clean design and cooling power. If you want a compact case with sleek aesthetics and airflow that keeps your components running cool under pressure, this is a top pick to consider. The H3 Flow features NZXT's signature minimalist styling, smooth lines, matte finishes, and a fully ventilated mesh front panel that prioritizes airflow without sacrificing looks. It's not just about appearance, though. That mesh design, paired with the 2 pre-installed Phone 120Q fans, creates a pressure-balanced cooling system that keeps temps stable, even during high-load gaming or rendering sessions. Inside, there's room for full-size GPUs up to 365mm, tower CPU coolers up to 164mm, and 240 or 280mm radiators up front or on top, offering real flexibility for air and liquid builds. The cable management system is excellent too. Pre-routed channels, Velcro straps, and a full-length PSU shroud that hides everything for a clean final look. Plus, the tempered glass side panel pops off tool-free, which makes upgrades and tweaks a breeze. You get 2 SSD trays behind the motherboard and a combo HDD SSD cage under the PSU, giving you enough storage support without crowding airflow paths. Despite its Micro ATX format, the internal layout is intuitive and builder-friendly, perfect for first-timers or experienced users alike. And let's not forget the sturdy steel construction and stable rubber feet. This case feels high quality from every angle. Who's it for? Great for PC builders who value clean looks, smart airflow, and compact dimensions without giving up hardware support or ease of installation. Bottom line, the NZXT H3 Flow Micro ATX blends elegant aesthetics with functional airflow. It's the perfect balance. Number 3. MSI Mag PANO Mon100 RPZ. At number 3, we've got the MSI Mag PANO Mon100 RPZ, a Micro ATX case that turns your build into a showcase. With a wraparound glass design and bold RGB accents, it's made for users who want both performance and visual flair without going full tower. The 270-degree panoramic tempered glass offers a full view of your internal components, making it ideal for RGB setups or high-end builds you actually want to show off. It comes preloaded with 4 120mm ARGB fans, 3 up front, 1 at the rear, offering solid airflow right out of the box. And yes, they're Mystic Light compatible, so syncing effects with your motherboard is seamless. Despite the compact form, it supports GPUs up to 390 mm and 240 mm radiators in the top or front. That means even larger graphics cards and AIO coolers fit comfortably, rare for this size class. The PSU shroud keeps your build clean, and the cable management system features cutouts and Velcro straps to help keep everything tidy. Inside, you'll find toolless drive bays, SSD mounts, and support for vertical GPU mounting if you want that extra clean look. The internal layout also leaves enough space around the CPU area for airflow, which keeps thermals in check even under load. The PANO Mon100R isn't just about looks, it's clearly designed with the builder in mind. Easy access panels, smart fan placement, and a spacious layout make it ideal for both beginners and experienced PC builders who want a hassle-free setup. Who's it for? Perfect for anyone building a clean, compact RGB showcase, especially gamers, streamers, and modders. Bottom line, the MSI Mag PANO Mon100 RPZ brings together sleek design, great airflow, and user-friendly features all in a Micro ATX form factor. If you want a small case that makes a big statement, this one should be high on your list. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest Micro ATX case reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Lian Li A3 mATX. Coming in at number 2 is the Lian Li A3 mATX, a case that redefines what compact performance should feel like. It's built for serious builders who want flexibility, airflow, and elegance, all in one minimal footprint, without the usual Micro ATX limitations. Let's start with the build. The A3 mATX features a sleek, all-metal construction with a clean, brushed aluminum front panel that gives it a professional, understated look. But behind that simple design is a powerhouse of compatibility. It supports GPUs up to 415mm, ATX power supplies, and even 360mm radiators, all inside a Micro ATX chassis. That's wild. Internally, the layout is optimized for airflow and flexibility. You can mount your GPU vertically or horizontally, and the case includes a modular PSU shroud that can be adjusted or removed to suit your build. The motherboard tray also supports mini ITX and Micro ATX boards, giving you options depending on your needs. For cooling, you can fit up to 10 fans with mounting points at the top, bottom, side, and rear. The side mesh panel adds direct intake to your GPU, improving thermals during heavy gaming or rendering sessions. Dust filters are included on all major intakes, and cable management is helped by well-placed routing channels and tie-down points. The A3 mATX shines in flexibility. Whether you're building a compact gaming rig, a workstation, or a minimal RGB setup, it adapts easily. And because it's from Lian Li, every piece feels premium, from the thumb screws to the slide-off panels. Front I/O includes USB-C, 2 USB 3 ports, and an audio combo jack, giving you modern accessibility without clutter. And despite its compact size, there's room for up to 3 2.5 SSDs and 2 3.5 HDDs, making it a storage-friendly choice too. Who's it for? Perfect for power users, minimalist builders, and anyone who wants ATX-level support in a smaller, smarter case. Bottom line, the Lian Li A3 mATX is a masterclass in efficient design. If you want a clean, powerful, and highly customizable case that doesn't take over your desk, this one delivers big. And finally, my number one pick, JONSBO Z20 Micro ATX Mini Tower. Topping the list is the JONSBO Z20, a bold, innovative case that brings premium airflow, high-end materials, and a futuristic layout into the Micro ATX space. If you want the most unique, performance-optimized compact tower out there, this one deserves your full attention. At first glance, the Z20 stands out with its fully ventilated steel mesh panels on both the front and sides, ensuring unhindered airflow right to your components. The case features a dual-chamber layout, separating the PSU and drives from the GPU and motherboard for better thermals and cable routing. It's sleek, sharp, and distinctly modern. Internally, it supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards and allows for GPUs up to 330mm in length, plenty of space for today's powerful cards. You can also install a 240mm or even 208mm radiator in the top or side, depending on your airflow preference. For air cooling, up to 6 fans can be installed, with 3 pre-installed to get you started. One of the standout features is its vertical GPU mounting support, which is rare in this form factor. The layout also keeps cables hidden, creating a clean look inside and out. The PSU bay is fully enclosed in the lower chamber and supports full-sized ATX units, no need to compromise on power. Drive support is smartly integrated. You get up to 3 SSD mounts and 2 HDD bays, allowing plenty of flexibility for gaming or creative builds. Rubber grommets, Velcro ties, and a generous cable routing space behind the motherboard tray keep your build tidy and silent. On the front panel, the Z20 features USB-C, dual USB 3, power and reset buttons, and a 3.5mm audio jack, all tucked into a discrete strip for quick access without visual noise. The toolless side panels make upgrades easy, while the steel construction keeps everything rock solid. Who's it for? Ideal for performance builders, design-focused gamers, and anyone who wants a compact rig that doesn't cut corners on airflow, looks, or expansion. Bottom line, the JONSBO Z20 Micro ATX Mini Tower is the total package airflow, flexibility, and design elegance in one of the best Micro ATX cases you can buy. If you want the best of the best in a smaller footprint, this one nails it. And that wraps up my countdown of the best Micro ATX PC cases you can get this year. Whether you're building a compact gaming rig, a stylish workstation, or a high airflow setup in a smaller form factor, this list proves there's a perfect fit for every kind of builder. From budget-friendly designs to premium performers, each one brings something unique to the table. If you found your match, all the links are waiting for you right there in the description, no digging needed. So which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell more sharp. Honest PC case reviews are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.